Resting along the bends and breaks of the famous Wind River in central Wyoming is the Lane Farm, comprised of 140 beautiful deeded acres. The stunning custom log home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a large entertainment room. Covered porches on each side of the house, along with trees on both sides, offer plenty of shade any time of day. The home also includes a detached 2-car garage. Located in the heart of farm country, this property is an excellent source for many types of healthy crops. Gated pipe provides flood irrigation to the fields, where currently there are both alfalfa and grass hay present. An oversized hay canopy offers ample bale storage to protect your investment. Also on the property is a large 40 by 80 shop with more than enough room for all of your farming equipment. Many mature trees on the property add to the beautiful landscape, as well as provide a nice wind block. Its close proximity to the famous Wind River provides an abundance of wildlife in the area, which includes trophy deer who frequent the property daily, pheasant, geese, and an occasional elk or moose that meander through. For your chance to see this amazing property and all it has to offer, contact Cody Jacks at 307-349-2215 today.